Totoo lang, ang iniinom lang naman niya doon is Biogesic and Miracle Peptide. Hello mga Miracle Peptide mates! So as we start this 2024, we're gonna give you a recap on who are the people we've talked to, what are the cures, or what are the illness that we've met this past 2023, what are the updates, what are the good news, what are the healing na naganap, no? And really happy to share this had the opportunity to share to you. Kwento ko lang sa inyo, no, when we started the year, and yung mga taong na-meet namin, no, we start with lupus, no, we meet this very very positive, very very magical story, no, na may lupus siya, and ang nangyari sa kanya, no, she's been looking for solution, and then truly enough there are programs from other countries, from I don't know if this is US or Canada, no, and finally nauwi rin ang kwento na kailangan talaga ang kailangan talaga ng katawan niya is yung peptide. So finally, after I think after 6 months, she finally called up, and yun nga, no, started the program, and very happy kasi every now and then she's messaging us and telling us that good things are happening, yung tubig sa paa nababawasan na, yung maga nababawasan na, and lumalakas siya, and ano pa ba, ang daming changes na nangyari simula nung nag-start siya ng Miracle Peptide journey niya. Other thing, second quarter of this year, my cousin from Amsterdam, dumating siya to prove everyone that when he started Miracle Peptide journey last year of April or May, and today, no, and today he is already driving. Nung nakita niya kami dito sa Metro Manila, I let him meet all our celebrity partners, and sobrang nakakatuwa lang dahil the doctors in Amsterdam cannot even believe what happened, no? And sa totoo lang, ang iniinom lang naman niya doon is Biogesic and Miracle Peptide. So yun, talagang bumalik yung ano niya, yung lakas niya, and right now doctors from hospitals had been messaging him and asking what happened, no, yung testimony niya, no. Other than that, diabetic and high blood, we have lot of cases today na talaga namang umiinom ng napakaraming maintenance, from 15 maintenance down to 10 to 0 maintenance today. So these are stories na parang pag narinig mo sobrang nakakatuwa. Tapos meron din kaming lately na na-meet na the couple wants to have a baby. So eto rin, it took them some time, no, and then truly enough finally nag-meet niya kami, and they're very happy, no. Unang sinabi nila na nawala yung rhinitis nila, yung everyday sinisipon sila, tapos talagang atching sila ng atching pagising sa umaga, talagang asama lang ng feeling, they cannot sleep well. So ngayon, that's another good news, no, okay na sila, no. And ito pa yung mga may problems sa stomach, no, na talagang hindi maayos-ayos today, good news na naman yun, no. Siguro on my own personal testimony is answered prayer to sa akin, no. This year, my dad started his journey, Miracle Peptide journey, and yun nga, sobrang happy lang dahil when we were in Taiwan, talagang yun, na-enjoy niya, no. Hindi siya yung talagang nasa hotel lang, she go with us, tapos naglakad, nag-umakit ng mga hagdan, nagpa-pictures and everything. And guys, it's not a joke, hindi biro, no, to see your loved ones enjoying their life, no, to the fullest. And upcoming good news, Miracle Peptide Malaysia, Miracle Peptide Europe, Miracle Peptide Taiwan, and looking forward, guys, na ma-open up at mabalikan namin ng Dubai and Japan. And ito pa yung pinaka nakakatuwa, we've been shipping to US, Canada, Korea, and lot more, no, na ang dami pang bansa na napadalahan natin this year. Kaya guys, huwag niyo nang patagalin, If you think you need it, start today. And don't procrastinate. Dahil kung sa tingin mo, ito na yung kasagutan, no? Sa nararamdaman mo, huwag mo nang patagalin. Time is everything. Speed is everything. Huwag nyo na ipabukas. Huwag nyo na i-procrastinate yan. Dahil at the end of the day, if God impresses you na ito na yung solusyon, yakapin nyo na as early as now. Ano? Huwag na natin siyang patagalin and huwag na natin siyang ipagpabukas pa. Dahil sa lahat na nakakausap namin, nakakatuwa lang, no, na they would give us happy stories, what's happening to them. Kaya guys, ito lang ang good news ko sa inyo. Because we have been in the industry for 5 years, we are now giving back as a sign of thanks to everyone who supported us, who supported Miracle Peptide. Meron kaming paraffle worth 200,000 pesos, no? And if you think worthy ka, or if you think na yung kwento mo karapat dapat mabigyan netong opportunity ng free, no? Miracle Peptide worth 200,000 supply. Guys, go to our Tantuko TV, no, YouTube channel, subscribe kayo pati dito sa Facebook, TikTok and Instagram. Tapos ilagay niyo lang sa comment section ng Tantuko TV, and then from there we will choose one story na worth manalo, no? This is a sign of our thanksgiving, giving back to the people who have supported us since the start of our journey. And today is about time, guys, na you can message us, tell us your story, why ikaw ang karapat dapat manalo ng 200,000 worth of Miracle Peptide. And at the end of the day, I want to greet everyone a happy New Year. And we look forward to touch more people's life out there. Dahil naniniwala kami, no, lagi namin sinasabi, what will you do with your money if you die early? And as our Miracle Peptide proof, Mr. Atoy Lavi says, if you don't invest in wellness, you will experience illness. Kaya guys, huwag na patumpik-tumpik, subscribe na, and share us your story. More than that, no? Start your Miracle Peptide journey so you can share your Miracle Peptide story. Huwag natin kalilimutan to always be happy para walang anxiety. Happy New Year!